Hello everyone, welcome back to spaceforedit. So good to see you here. Thank you for clicking on the video. If you did click, then you are probably intrigued. Ooh, behind the scenes, a project install, the whole lot. Yes, that's what we're doing today. I am taking you with me on a site and I will just show you what is happening on a project install. This project that I've been working on is not really a big one. It's quite a small project. It only entails furniture install, so all loose items, no big walls going in, no lighting being hung or anything like that. But it still takes time, it still takes management, and that's what I'm here for. I'm here to do the do. And I wanted to start with just like introducing you with the scheme and what's gonna go on, because probably, well, when I'm on site I'm gonna forget about all of those things. Oh, and before we start, please click the like and the subscribe and comment below if you're excited or not, because that really helps. Okay, so here's what we have. The color palette is quite mixed. We've got some earthy tones and a bit of texture there. I love it. Bit of faux leather, always good for corporate environment. And then we've got some table finishes, tabletops, egg laminates, nothing too crazy and fancy. I've got my plan over here. So let me just quickly show you. This is the main entrance to the building. So this is an office building, and we have been tasked to do like a new proposal for the atrium space. This is a double height, almost actually triple height. Let me show you here. You can see that's the space. So quite an open, that's the existing situation. And we are going to make some magic there. We've got some loose furniture. You can see there's some armchairs and high stools and just like side chairs. A mix of different heights and different types of furniture. So I got my lasers and just a measuring tape just in case. I've got my floor plans there, floor plan pack, samples. I'm taking a laptop with me. So yeah, I've got the plans with me. I've got the samples just in case. Everything's set and I'm ready for the big day. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to take you with me, because I didn't even think about, oh, I could actually film this project. Because a little disclaimer, actually, yeah, I need to I'll let you know that this is not a spaceforedit project. It is not my own company's project. This is a project that I've been working for under my employer. As you may know, if you are a hardcore fan, then currently I am part-time employed in a design company. So this will be a project that is undertaken under them. Anyways, blah, disclaimer over, boring stuff over. Let's get going, because I have not got much time left. I need to get down to Birmingham, which is about 1.5 to 2 hours drive, depending on traffic, and we will start the project install after 5 o'clock, because it is an office building and obviously we can't mess about when there are people working and doing the do. So after 5 o'clock, when everyone's finished, we go and make the magic happen. I hope you're gonna enjoy the journey, and yeah, let's do this. See you on the other side. A quick update, guys. Because site installs are usually quite hectic and you are never guaranteed a point of I don't know, somewhere to get food or somewhere to get a drink or anything like that. I always like to bring some good healthy snacks with me, and because I've been, well, not been, but because I am on a 30-day Arbonne detox at the moment, I need to make sure I am on top of what I am putting into my body. So what I got here is, so I obviously got my energy drink, my fish sticks, absolutely love them. If you don't know what fish stick is, then let me know. I got some falafel balls, what they called, some carrot sticks, pears, and little nutty bars. I'm not sure if I'm really allowed to have these, but you know, it's going to be a long day, so I need to have everything that I can. Okay, princess, mommy's going. No, makeup. Okay, love you. I want to show you. I am taking all of this to site. Whoops, wish me luck. Just my luck. On site. I've just styled the shelf. It's all going down. I'm one down, 2 more to go for me. We've got furniture going in place, a few chairs there. There's loads more happening down there. I'll fill you in later. I'll give you all the snaps later. But now it's all go, go, go. So I'll speak to you after a break. what time is it? 10 o'clock. Oof, can't tell. It's 10:15 p.m. We started around 4:30. So yeah, it's been a while and I still need to go home, and that is going to be a 2-hour drive. But it's all fun and games. I really enjoyed the project. I hope you enjoyed it as well. One thing I can say is that being on site and working with other tradesmen and working with suppliers, you often will hit bumps in the road. You will often have to make decisions on the spot. Like today, we just had to go with the flow, and some furniture turned up in the wrong color combinations. Some furniture turned up a bit broken, some tabletops chipped, so you just have to go with the flow, make quick decisions, stand your ground, and improvise. And that's it, really. It's been really interesting. Let me just fix this angle. So yeah, I don't know any other tricks and tips. Just be quick. Don't drag. I like the first shelf there that I did at first. I thought, yeah, this is good, this is fun, interesting. Then the second one was like, okay, and by the third one, I was just like, oh dear, I'm starting to feel tired, and I was just losing a bit of the creative flow. At first I thought maybe I just copy the same setup because everything was roughly in the same quantities. I thought maybe I just copy the whole setup for the 3 sections, but then I was like, no, I ain't no copycat. I do things properly, so each and every set is completely different, and yeah, I'm very happy. I'm very tired, and I'm ready to go home. I need to down my fizz stick drink to keep me energized for the road. I'm gonna put some good tunes on and go home. So yes, thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something new. Again, if you have any questions about what the life on site is like, or how do we get to this point in a project, then let me know. If you want to collaborate, that would be fun as well, so hit me up. And head over to my Instagram for more details, for more behind the scenes, similar things like this from day to day. But if I don't see you there, then I'll see you in the next video. Bye.